Every day the market gives you an opportunity. The real question is, do you take it or do you keep watching from the sideline? I am the fear. In 5 years of trading, I've built a system that more than 50,000 people use every single day. My Telegram channel already has almost 50,000 traders who get free signals, watch me trade live and learn from real situations. Here there is no noise or hype, just clean execution, real experience and value. The link is in the description. Join now. From here on, it's all practice.
Say that I'm on the road, maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking toll. Find me out here on my own.
Looking at EUR GPY. On the 1-minute chart, zigzag draws a bearish structure, drop correction and another drop. Price hit 171.400 but couldn't break it, confirming strong resistance. The latest candles are small, no momentum. MACD slightly negative. The lines haven't crossed yet, but no bullish signal either. RSI sits around 40, showing sellers in control. Everything points to continuation of the drop. I sell with $103, counting on the trend continuation and rejection at resistance. All indicators show weak buyers. Perfect time to enter. Want to profit from trading but don't want to spend months studying charts and indicators? Here's a simple way to start today. I create a VIP channel with live session where I share my exact entry points in real time. Just copy the trades and earn with me. Message me on Telegram to join and get 240 signals per month. Link in the description. Right after entry, the price dropped sharply. A red candle confirmed the signal. 1 minute later, trade closed solidly in profit. Balance $187, up $83 from one precise entry. A great example of rejection strategy at resistance. Switching to AUD CHF, a clear setup. Price climbed to 0.51995 and then turned sharply down. Zigzag ended the bullish wave, and a bearish candle broke the previous low. MACD shows early weakness, histogram shrinking, lines converging. RSI drops firmly from 70, overbought condition. I sell with $187, a textbook reversal trade after strong bullish impulse. Resistance held, and the entry is technical. Want to earn passively? Connect to copy trading. Every time I trade, your account mirrors mine. Same entries, same X, same result. You don't need years of experience. Just connect and start. Many already made between $500 and $1,000 in their first week. Not by luck, but through discipline and structure. If you want to follow a real trader with clear values, message me on Telegram. Link in the description. Price dropped right after entry. The candle fell almost without pullback. Trade closed in profit within a minute. New balance $340, a clean $153 gain. Perfect execution of post-overbought correction strategy. On AUD GPY, I see a textbook oversold setup. Strong bearish impulse, several red candles in a row, and now the first green one at the bottom. Zigzag marks the end of the bearish wave. MACD still red, but lines converging, sellers losing steam. RSI near 30 and turning up. Classic rebound signal. I buy with $340, an early reversal entry while most are still waiting for confirmation. Indicators line up for a solid bullish correction. Want to trade without compromising your principles? These reversals are even easier to spot with DX Robot. It analyzes trends and points out the best entry spots automatically. Want to see it in action? Type "I want ZFX." It works 24/7 and delivers around 200 signals with 86% accuracy. If you want to trade on autopilot, message me on Telegram and I'll set you up. Link in the description. Back to the trade. Immediately after entry, a strong green candle pushed the price higher. The move broke nearby resistance. Trade closed in profit at expiration. New balance $622. Net gain $282. Reversal capture exactly as planned. Looking at USD JPY. Price stalls at the bottom after a prolonged drop, flattering near 146. Zigzag completes the bearish wave. Small green candles appear, early reversal signal. MACD lines converge from below. Histogram fading. RSI near 30. Oversold zone. Buyers are stepping in. I buy with $622. This is the moment when sellers out of steam and buyers take over. A textbook rebound from support. Optimus is my new trading bot that scans the market and delivers signals with up to 94% accuracy. No emotion, no delays, just clean entries. Works with Forex, crypto, and stocks. 24/7 signals, trade anytime. Turbo mode, signals in 5 seconds. A set ranking shows you where the money is right now. Want to try it? Message me. I'll set it up for you today. Link in the description. Price jump instantly. 2 green candles secure the profit. The trade worked perfect. Closing 1 minute later. Balance $1,146. Net gain $523. A strong rebound with clear technical support. Now EUR USD. The setup is crystal clear. A strong bearish impulse hits solid support. Price stalls and leaves a candle with a long lower wick. Zigzag confirmed the end of the bearish wave. MACD lines converge. Histogram weakens. RSI near 30. Clear oversold conditions. Everything signals a potential turn. I buy with $1,146. Entry from the bottom, right at the market starts to turn but hasn't moved far yet. Excellent risk reward. Want to trade stress-free without guessing? Private trading, ready-made signals, and personal port. Follow me. Copy the trades, make money. That simple. Message me on Telegram. I'll help you get connected. Link in the description. Immediate response. The candle closed with a strong bullish move, breaking resistance. Trade closed 1 minute later with a clear win. New balance $2,166. Net gain $1,020. A powerful reversal and perfectly timed entry. I started with $103 and executed 5 trades based on levels and reversal. EUR/JPY was a clean rejection at resistance. AUD/CHF classic drop after overbought. AUD/JPY and USD/JPY textbook rebounds from oversold. The final move, EUR/USD, captured a support with a strong bullish turn. End result, account grew $2,166 in just 5 trades. Pure strategy, no guess, only precise, confirmed entries. Everything you saw in this video is just part of it. In my open channel, I share all my experience, daily market updates, strategies, signals, and real tools. And you're not alone. We are already nearly 50,000 traders in the community. Subscribe through the link in the description. See you in the next video.